guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to dye your hair with Kool-Aid. And if I sound a little congested, it's because I'm getting over a cold. So, yeah, just ignore it. So before doing anything, you have to make sure your hair is completely dry. Also, make sure your hair has been washed like the day before. Next, you're going to be taking a comb or brush and just brushing through your hair to make sure there aren't any tangles. Like that. Next, you're going to be needing your Kool-Aid and some water, and we're going to boil it. So I'll show you that now. Okay, so for this next part, you're going to be needing Kool-Aid. I suggest 2 packs, but if you want a color like turquoise, you might need 3 packs. I'm going to be doing red, but you can use any color. This is just the one they had at the store. So you're going to need 2 packs of Kool-Aid, or just your Kool-Aid, a pot like this, and some water. So in the original instructions, it said 2 cups of water, but since I want the color to be really vibrant, I'm going to be using 1.5 cups. Since my hair is brown and it's pretty dark. So first off, you're going to put your pot on the stove and then measure out your water. I just put 1.5 cups of water in my pot, as you can see. And now I'm just going to add my Kool-Aid into the pot. As you can see, it's already a pretty vibrant red color, but now you're just going to, ooh, it smells good. It smells like cherry, which is what the flavor is. Anyway, so you're going to place it on the stove and then put the stove on to high so it'll boil. You want to make sure the powder totally mixes in with the water and there's no little pieces at the bottom. Take it off the heat and then turn off the stove. So now you're going to get a bowl or a mug and pour your mixture into that. So that's what you're going to dip your hair into. I suggest you let it cool down a bit just so that it doesn't burn you when you try to put your hair in. So yeah, that's just a tip. So I found this bowl. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to let my mixture cool down just a little bit longer. But before you dip your hair, you're going to want to put on a t-shirt that you don't care about. Because if you put on clothes that you're normally going to wear, it'll kind of get your clothes whatever color you dye your hair. So right now I'm just wearing a shirt that I use when I paint because it just gets messy, like you can just tell, like look. So I'm just going to use this, and you might want to put an old rag or something on your neck so it won't dye your skin. I mean, it won't stay there forever, but you know, you probably don't want your neck to be red or blue or purple. I'm going to pour my mixture into the bowl. Now, keep in mind this is a really hot mixture, so if you're not comfortable, I suggest you let an adult do it. I feel like I'm going to spill it everywhere. No, you're not. Okay, I didn't spill it. Did you guys see that red though? That was really cool. Okay, so once you have it in your bowl, you need to find somewhere where you're comfortable laying there for a few minutes. And so since my hair is pretty short and it isn't that thick, I'm going to leave it in there for about 3 to 5 minutes. But if you have really thick hair and you want it to be a darker color, I suggest you leave it in for maybe 10 minutes. And so I'll just show you guys that now. Took my hair out of the dye. It was really hard. Since my hair is dark, it isn't showing up yet. You should pat your hair with a towel. It isn't coming out yet, but it'll dry. So once it dries, you're going to want to take a shower just to get all the sticky stuff out. And then it should appear, and I'll show you after. So yeah. See you in a little bit. Okay, so this is like 3 hours later. Yeah, that's why I'm wearing a different thing. So you guys can tell, like, it is awesome. It's highlight-y. It's not exactly how I pictured it would be, but I think it's really cool. Whoa, okay. So I'll put a picture on here, but I really love it. I suggest you do it. Next time, I'd probably wait until my hair's a bit longer so I can actually dip. Because, gosh, it was so hard. Like, yeah, not comfortable, but if you have longer hair, it should be easier. And also, I haven't taken a shower yet, but I'm pretty sure it'll be okay. So just a suggestion, let it dry before you touch anything. Go outside, do stuff, because if you don't, then it'll just get whatever you sit on, like this part, it won't be good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. And comment below if you've done this. Tell me if it worked. Tell me if it was good. And I'll see you guys next time. So by the way, you guys, I just took a shower. I wanted to let you know it still is in here. The color is still there. It just isn't as bright as before, so to take care of it, just try using a good conditioner and a good shampoo. Don't wash it as often. Try to refrain from doing it as much as you would normally do. Try to use a shampoo that doesn't have sulfate, and I'll put a link in the description to a website where it has some other ways to take care of it and some ways to remove it if you don't like it. So hope you guys enjoyed.